In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or cancel direct NordVPN account payments. First, open your browser and head to the official Nord account page. Sign in with your account credentials to reach your dashboard. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that prompt. It's important you're on the legitimate site, so check the URL and avoid using any saved links you don't recognize. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Billing. This is your central place for payment details, invoices, and upcoming charges. From here, go to the Subscriptions tab. This tab shows your active plan, your next billing date, and how you're currently paying. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct subscription if you have more than one product associated with your account. If you want to update your payment details for future bills, find your current payment method and click Update. This is the option to use when your card is expiring, you've switched banks, or you prefer a different payment method going forward. Enter the new information carefully. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and billing address match what your bank has on file. A quick tip, updates typically apply to future charges only, so you won't be billed immediately just for saving new details. After you submit, look for a confirmation message on screen so you know the change went through. It's also a good idea to check your next billing date to ensure everything looks correct. If your goal is to stop charges at the end of your current term, locate the auto renewal setting and click Cancel next to it to turn auto renew off. This doesn't cut off your service right away, it simply prevents the next renewal. You'll keep full access until the current period ends. After you cancel auto renewal, confirm you see a status update that reflects the change. You can also note your end date so there are no surprises later. Keep in mind that turning off auto renewal isn't the same as requesting a refund. It just stops future payments. A quick reminder, this process applies to direct payments made through your Nord account. If you originally signed up through a mobile app store or a third-party reseller, your billing controls may live in that platform instead. That's it. Log in, go to Billing, open Subscriptions, then either update your payment method for future bills or cancel auto renewal to stop charges after the current term. Take a moment to confirm